Here welcomes you to Singapore.
Wala akong masabi.
Ang masasabi niya lang ay
Pa.
so, papunta na kami ng Jewel. So, nakahanap na kami ng first merch stop here in Singapore. It can be found here in Bugis. It's raining. Hi! It's raining. And papunta kami ng Gallery 26 Dempsey. Nag-try kaming mag-bus. So first time namin dalawa sumakay ng Singapore bus. Super lakas ng ulan. Kala namin bumabagyo. Pero it's all good. It's all fine. We got our umbrellas. So let's get walking. This is... I haven't seen this part of Singapore. Kaya maganda rin na nakaikot kami. Kasi it's not the usual places na pinupuntahan kapag nasa Singapore ka. Pero well, syempre kung fan ka ng F1, pupunta ka talaga dun.
Enjoy the challenge. Physically, it's a very tough Grand Prix. I remember after the race, it was very telling when the drivers finished the race. And you
We have to start with the trophy, don't we? This is...
Good morning!
Morning.
We're off to our first coffee stop. Kasi kahapon hindi na kami nakakapag-coffee.
Breakfast na. No?
And she's very really trying to appeal to the
They're also selling grinders here. They have the coffee scales, all other equipment.
No, he hasn't started joining the company yet, but he is.
Do you recognize this machine? It's a super vintage machine.
I'm not really. We both
It's like
Ikaw daw yung sa banana. Pati ping sa'yo. Wow!
We're finally here!
Thank you!
Hi, so we're here at Universal Studios. Ganap na ganap.
Saan tayo?
Yeah. Kaya dito tayo sa indoor.
Indoor?
Ay, ang cute!
So nandito na kami sa second ride sa Puss in Boots.
And Kenny Boots. And Miss Kenny.
Dito yata. So tapos na kami mag The Mommy.
The Revenge of the Mommy. How was it? Anong reaction mo?
Masaya. Ang lakas. Ang ganda, masaya. Tapos,
Fun.
oo. Masaya kasi hindi siya nakikita.
Hindi mo makikita yung drop, hindi mo makikita yung loop. Kung may loop. Hindi ako sure kung may loop eh. Hindi ko naman feeling na bumaliktad ako or something. We're drinking pineapple slushy. Kaya lang medyo natutunaw na yung straw.
Oo nga eh, malambot na. Ikaw Michael, anong masasabi mo? Uy, kulay blue na yung dila mo. Okay, kakatapos lang namin magkape.
Sinisikmura na ako agad.
Good morning!
Good morning, it's day 3 and papunta kami ng Little India sa Mufasa. Ano ba yun? Mufasa Hawker Center or Mufasa
Parang shopping center siya.
Shopping Center? Dito
Pero-
kami magbe-breakfast.
More on Indian,
Yeah, more of it.
Arab.
Pero
Ganda nito,
we're excited to try other things. Ang ganda, no? Tsaka madaming Catholic dito.
Really?
Oo. Mas mag-church tayo.
Ganda ng architecture dito.
Ay, hindi ko nakita yung schedule.
Booking station is A.
Ako lang ba? Yeah. It's a sunshine day.
Wow. Shiny skin.
I'm glimmering.
May mga building sila na makukulay.
Oo, yung colorful.
Puro hardware nila. Ano yun? Set din. Wait. Kasi kapag ka-toast ka, parang $1 lang. Pwede lang ito.
I'm gonna go Mario Karting. In real life. Sana hindi ako ano. Feeling ko naman.
Sa inyo ba yung mga parents niya?
Ay, hindi. India lookout cable car. Yung pangarap natin yung ice cream for today. And it's free.
Pakita mo yung passport mo.
Ay, is it recording?
Yeah.
So we got a free ice cream sandwich.
Pwede mo.
We love free things, so it's a bonus. Yay! Tapos ang
Thank
cute.
you!
Kasi postcard din yung
Pero nga,
likod.
before, sa parang dito ata din tayo lalabas.
Pwede. Baba, pwede muna
B4 muna tayo.
mag-basement 4 tapos...
Ah, sige. Doon muna tayo sa ano,
Sa B4 daw.
Visa, yeah. Visa Cash App Racing Tools.
Yay!
Pila, tinan mo, nakapila lahat na. Pinuntahan natin.
Alin?
Yung binabaan natin bago mag-nylon.
Ah, oo. Ano po area? Sa video. It's our last day here. How do you feel?
Sad. Pero excited kasi news ko na si Kenny.
Ay, bakit may flash? We're checking out na. How to check out and Chinatown.
Sumug.
Halos naubos niya kalahati.
Nag-umiyak.
Next, bulan EMI, pastinya tidak include fine, pastinya tidak include fine, may proceed on the rate.
We're leaving. Flaunting his Williams jacket. Post Singapore breakfast.